I do real estate. I'm a fund manager. We have a family of funds. Beyond that, I'm all about deals. The way I like approaching capital raising is you go always through your friends and family first. Once they invest, you can ask for referrals, go through your, let's just call network of influence. And you're constantly trying to grow that universe. On top of that, powerful affiliation groups. So if you're affiliated with influencers, folks that have their own tribe or crowd, by affiliation, you can raise substantial amount of capital as they have their own members and audiences. So we raise capital from a number of groups. In addition to that, obviously, we educate. So educational component is critical because people can't invest with you until they get to know, like, and trust you. Getting into the right tribe with the right leader and getting invited is the key. They want your participation in your membership because you add value to their group. A fund is a vehicle. It enables you to go to your ecosystem of investors and say, I have this wonderful vehicle and you can invest with me with this target return. And what I'm going to do as a fund manager is put your money to work in the following assets. And then you present it to them and you're selling yourself and your strategy. That's kind of the very high level on a fund setup. If you want to do it legally, get your own fund and that becomes legal. You raise the money in the fund and the fund writes the checks wherever it needs to write the checks. So if the strategy is a niche, absolutely makes sense. If you want to raise capital, you can set up a fund. So it becomes a balancing act. You got to know who you're going after, what kind of product they expect, and then you create the product to meet that. Self-belief is pretty important because it's a bumpy road.